Puppies and Babies and Millionaire Mutts have closed their doors. Since we closed down Posh Puppies in Tarzana and in Beverly Hills in May, LCA has been investigating pet stores all over the Los Angeles area. There are over 100 pet stores in the LA area, starting from the big chains like Barkworks and Pet Love to the small ones like Millionaire Mutts and Puppies and Babies. The one thing that they have in common besides selling mill dogs is that the LCA Special Investigations Unit is after them. We can thank our protesters in Malibu and in the Los Angeles area. Puppies and Babies and Millionaire Mutts have closed their doors. I also want to thank the customers who have come forward and told us about their horrifying stories. A handful of celebrities and high-profile people have also told us their stories, but wanted to remain anonymous for obvious reasons. LCA wants you to know the truth about these pet stores. Pet shops like Puppies and Babies are hiding behind USDA labels. Please don't buy puppies at pet shops.